So originally I had a different video that I already filmed that I was going to release today, but I got up this morning and I couldn't stop thinking about you and some things that I just wanted to tell you, kind of as my final thoughts of 2022. And so I decided to get up and come into the office early and shoot this video because there's some things that I need you to know moving forward into 2023. You know, the new year is something that I always get excited about because regardless of what happened the year before, it always feels a little bit like a rebirth for me. And last year, it was a hard year. Had a lot of struggles, personally, professionally, that I had to deal with. I lost some people that were close to me. You know, it kind of puts things in perspective. I've also had struggles and challenges with my businesses, and it was a really hard year. And I would have thought that, you know, coming off of COVID, things opening up and getting a little bit, you know, back to normal, that it would have been like, oh, everything was awesome, but everything wasn't awesome for me. It was a hard year for me. But, you know, it's all relative, right? We've all had challenges. We've all had struggles, which is something I just also want you to know. I want you to never give up. Even though things may be a little bit hard right now, or you may be struggling dealing with something, I don't want you to give up because that's the only way that you don't succeed. We all are going to face challenges. We all are going to face struggles. And even though we may think, looking from the outside in and all these people on social media, that everybody else is doing better than us or everybody else is happier, living an amazing life, the truth is every single one of those people that you see killing it and being amazing are struggling at certain things. But they show you what they want you to see, which brings me to something that I need you to understand. And that is, you are amazing, which is why you need to stop comparing yourself to other people and what you see on social media and online. The person that you need to compare yourself to is you. Not me, not your boy Brad, you. And the way that you can measure your success, or if you're being successful, is are you better? Are you better than you were last year? Are you better than you were yesterday? And if you continue to strive, if you continue to keep pushing forward and being better than the man you were yesterday, you are crazy, wild, successful. And if you look back a year from now at what you've accomplished, what you've achieved, it is unbelievable. Do not stop. Do not give up. Do not allow that negative voice that creeps and crawls into all of our heads to rule you and to dominate. You need to focus on you. Do not worry about other people. You need to forgive yourself. Forgive yourself for the failures. Forgive yourself for fucking things up. Forgive yourself for not being perfect. The world doesn't revolve around me, and it doesn't revolve around you, which is why it was honestly mind-blowing when I realized that the majority of people aren't worried about me or you. They're worried about themselves and their own issues, their own insecurities. They're not thinking about you. They're not thinking and worrying as much about you as you are about their opinion of you, which is something you need to stop. You are incredible. Do not allow small-minded, insignificant people to rule your happiness, rule your world. Now, in terms of things that I'm going to work on for me moving forward, like we talked about, I'm going to stop comparing myself to other people as much. This is something that has been a constant struggle for me, but it's something that I need to be more diligent at. Something else I'm going to work on is my fitness and my body. Now, I'm in good shape, but I feel like I've let myself slide a little bit. What about you? Are you needing a little ass kick, a little get your ass back into shape, maybe eat a little bit better? Have you been drinking a little bit too much, smoking a little bit too much weed, spending too much time on the internet, looking at things you shouldn't be looking at, or wasting your damn time? Gentlemen, time is your most valuable asset, and that's something that you need to understand. And every single day, you are going to choose how you invest it. For me, I'm going to choose to invest it more wisely in myself, in my mind, which means I need to start learning more. Last year, I feel like I got a little bit lazy in terms of my consumption of knowledge and learning and expanding my knowledge base and brain. And it's something that I need to do better at. Something else I need to do better at is connecting with people that I love. Which brings me to something else I need to do, and that is stop spending time with stupid people. Also listening to them. How many people are in your life that you're like, damn, I get zero value from those dudes? Or worse yet, they're going to bring you down. They're going to make you feel bad or worse about yourself. This is the year that you stop hanging out with their low budget ass. This is the year that you break up with the toxic people that you have in your life. And you can identify them. It's pretty simple. When you think about this person, do they make you feel good? Do they make you feel bad? If they make you feel bad, get them the fuck out of your life. Surround yourself with better people. Look for people that are going in the same direction, that can uplift you and help you and feed your soul, that aren't sucking and asking for you, your time, and all of your energy. Something else I need to do better at is not letting the small shit bother me, right? Unfortunately, this one also is tough, and it's something where I constantly have to remind myself or think about it. My wife does a good job in saying, doesn't matter, doesn't matter. You're getting this upset about this. Is it gonna matter in a week from now, in a year from now? Does it matter enough for you to let yourself get so worked up and upset? And 99% of the time is no, it's stupid. And then I beat myself up for beating myself up about these stupid ass things. And so for me, I need to not waste time worrying about insignificant things that I can't change. And I guess that's where I want to kind of wrap things up. If you can't change something, and this includes other people, if it includes politics, if it includes just like somebody's opinion, if you can't change it, stop trying. Stop worrying about it, because you're wasting your valuable time. Gentlemen, like I said, time is our most precious asset. I wanted to spend mine talking to you. They say that the way you end a year is how you're going to start the next one. Well, there's no better way that I can think about ending or starting something other than talking to you. And so I just want to leave this by saying thank you for everything. Thank you for 2022. Thank you for future 2023. And just thank you for being my friend. I truly consider each and every one of you a part of my family and a friend, and I love you. I think you're amazing. Believe in yourself as much as I believe in you, and everything will work out.